Hi my friends, my name is Catherine and this should be a quick one today. We are just making bracelet blanks from a toilet paper tube. A toilet paper tube is really about the size of your wrist. Like, it's a little more circular and less oval, but when it flattens out, that's about what you get. So they are perfect for making bracelet blanks. The first thing that you want to do is just take a scissors and cut straight as possible down one side. That should give you a circle that can now open up. Then what we're going to do is decide how wide we want our bracelet. I am just eyeballing it. I want like a medium-sized cuff. So I'm going to cut like about that big. There we go. And slide this bracelet out of the way, and that should fit right onto my wrist and retain its shape and come around just that far, so it leaves the space on either side for the cuff. Once you've decorated it with patterned paper or washi tape or whatever you're going to use to decorate this bracelet, it'll be sturdier than just the cardboard itself, but even the cardboard itself would be pretty sturdy. They aren't permanent bracelets that you can use forever, but they are bracelets for now, which is really sometimes all you want. You can make them quick and easy, and sometimes if you want a thinner bracelet, you can make a thinner bracelet, and if you want a wider bracelet, you can make a wider bracelet, and you can get multiple bracelets from a single tube that had once held toilet paper. And there's no reason to throw the thing out. Rather, I would recommend recycling it by making bracelets. So, I've got 5 different bracelets here of different widths and thicknesses that I can now do with whatever I want to. In fact, I'm going to take one of these and I think the thinnest one and just cover it in this silver washi tape to make a nice silver bracelet. Let's just line it up on the end and fold that end over on the inside and wrap the bracelet in the tape and cut it off and tuck the other end over. And the tape was just wider than the bracelet was, which means that I can take those ends and fold them over too so that you can't see the cardboard when I'm wearing it. And that literally took me just a couple of seconds, and I've got this fun silver bracelet I can wear now. Another idea is to do this from soda cans. I don't drink soda, so I don't have any soda cans around. But if you do, if you've got soda, or if you enjoy soda, definitely try it with soda cans and let me see how it goes. I'll try to get my hands on a soda can as well. I just can't guarantee that I'll be able to find one. But if I do, I will show it to you. And there we have it. One silver bracelet. I will probably show you the decorating the rest of these at another time. This one was just meant to be a quick video today, and I was happy to share with you. I will see all you friends later, and remember to subscribe. Bye!